Good morning, class 4. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the third video lecture of the chapter Force, Work and Energy. In last video, we have seen different kinds of force. Then we have seen what is work, and to do any work, we need simple machine. What is simple machine? Simple device that is used to make our work easily and with less effort is called simple machine. And in that we have said, that means I have told you that a knife, a rod, anything can be a simple machine. So in yesterday's video only I have told you there are 6 type of simple machine: lever, wheel and axle, inclined plane, vase, pulley and screw. So I have told you there are 6 type of simple machine. In today's video we are going to discuss wheel and axle and inclined plane, and in coming video we will discuss remaining simple machine. What is wheel and axle? Okay, axle means a rod and wheel means tire. So you have a wheel, and in that a rod, means you have a rod in which wheel is fixed. So that arrangement is called wheel and axle. For example, just imagine there is a heavy load, and if you want to move it from here to here, if you want to push it, it is difficult to push. So what you do, take a rod like this and place inside, means at the bottom. Now you push this. So if there is a heavy load and if you push it, it will roll over this rod. So since it is circular, on this the box will roll and it will move. But since we know on the roads have pits, गड्ढा है, कहीं उठा हुआ है. So in that case this particular rod is not sufficient. So in place of you used a rod, in that you have fixed two wheel, and now you place the load over this, and if you push it, then you can easily take it to another place. Means with the arrangement of two wheels on a rod is called wheel and axle, and that becomes a simple machine that help you to carry heavy load from one place to another. So you have done one work, and work is done easily. Means if you want to push this box without wheel and axle, you have to affect more and more force. But with this wheel and the axle, this is called axle and this is called wheel. So this arrangement is called wheel and axle. So pushing this box without wheel and axle is difficult, but along with this wheel and axle you can easily push this box. So simple machine, what does the simple machine does? It help you to do your work easily. So this is called a wheel and axle, and it is a simple machine. So what is wheel and axle? A wheel mounted means fit, mounted rigidly upon a smaller wheel. Why it is saying a smaller wheel? Have you seen the bicycle? So if you see, this is a bicycle. It has a stand and it rolls. So there is a rod here. सो व्हील इस प्रकार का एक रॉड होता है और इसके ऊपर एक बेरिंग लगाया जाता है, बॉल बेरिंग कहते हैं। उस बॉल बेरिंग के ऊपर हम लोग इस व्हील को फिट करते हैं। सो इस रॉड के ऊपर एक बॉल बेरिंग होता है। बॉल बेरिंग क्या करेगा, उस व्हील को इजीली रोटेट होने में मदद करता है। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, दैट बॉल बेरिंग इज हियर कॉल्ड एज अ व्हील। सो a wheel mounted rigidly upon a smaller wheel or an axle is together called wheel and axle. This is together called wheel and axle. Example: steering wheel of a कार में जिससे गाड़ी को टर्न करते हैं दाहिने या बाएं, जो ड्राइवर हाथ में पकड़ के जो चलाता है उसको स्टीयरिंग व्हील कहते हैं। सो दिस इज दैट व्हील इज व्हील एंड इट इज फिक्स्ड इन ए रॉड एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सेल। सो दैट इज व्हील एंड एक्सेल। सो steering wheel on a car or bicycle wheels. These are the example of wheel and axle. Next simple machine is inclined plane. What do you mean by inclined plane? Yesterday only I have told you there is a place like this. This is a place and you have a ball here, or you can say एक ड्रम है। ड्रम का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है, वो इस प्रकार ड्रम का स्ट्रक्चर होता है और वो गोल होता है। एक ड्रम है, इस ड्रम को हमको जमीन से उठाकर इस ऊंची जगह पे रखना है। तो या तो हम लोग उठाकर रखें इसको यहाँ पे, और नहीं तो हम लोग एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा लेंगे, उस लकड़ी के टुकड़े को इस प्रकार से करके इस ड्रम को लिटा देंगे और उसके बाद इस लकड़ी के टुकड़े पे इसको रोल करते हुए, मतलब गुड़काते हुए हम इसके ऊपर चढ़ाएंगे तो मेरा काम आसानी से हो जाएगा। सो दिस वुडन पीस ऑफ दिस वुडन प्लैंक, ये लकड़ी का जो टुकड़ा है, दिट एक्ट एज एन सिंपल मशीन, दिस एक्ट एज अ सिंपल मशीन called inclined plane. So if I need to define what is inclined plane, a sloping surface, sloping मतलब वैसा surface जो slope मतलब जो नीचे या ऊपर की ओर आ रहा है, ढलान। sloping means ढलान, a sloping surface that help us to move or place an object to a higher place or a lower place. What it means to say? It is saying that अगर ये ड्रम यहाँ है, यहाँ से हमको नीचे लेके आना है और उठाकर नीचे लाएंगे तो भी तो मुश्किल है, तो हम एक पटरा लगाकर इसको धीरे धीरे रोल करते हुए नीचे ले आएंगे। तो मतलब object can be lifted from ground to higher place at the same time. With the help of this inclined plane, object can be moved from higher place to a lower place. So what is inclined plane? A sloping surface that help us to move an object from lower to higher place or higher to lower place. This is called inclined plane. Okay? So what is inclined plane? A sloping surface. Sloping means ढलान, a sloping surface to move heavy objects to a higher or lower place is called inclined plane. This is called inclined plane. Example: a wooden plank. Plank means टुकड़ा, लकड़ी का पट्टा, जिसको पटरी जिसको कहते हैं. A wooden plank used to load heavy objects onto the truck is an inclined plane. Means what I am saying here, what is inclined plane? A sloping surface to move heavy objects to a higher or lower place is called inclined plane. Example: a wooden plank means लकड़ी का एक पट्टा used to load heavy object. लकड़ी का पट्टा यूज किया गया टू लोड मतलब चढ़ाना, लोड हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑनटू द ट्रक पर चढ़ाना is an inclined plane. That wooden plank work as an inclined plane. Okay, so hope you understand what is wheel and axle and inclined plane. Remaining simple machine we will see in coming video. Okay, thank you.